Lo que importa es que me amas y te amo para siempre.
That fool Shingo, that's my primo. I came up selling kilos on the West Coast, connected. The plug called me his hijo. Got shooters.
What is up, people? YouTube channel Paisa Fishing. That's where it's at. First day. We're fly fishing over here in Brevard, North Carolina, and so my name is Jesus. Clearly, we got Javier over there, nicknamed Caveche, and then on the other side we got the monkey Mondo. He's the only one in the water, so. Alright.
Yeah.
Third catch of the day,
This is my second one.
but altogether this is our third.
Yeah.
But this is the first one we recorded.
Mundo it.
He's in the creek. Oh, there we go. So it's the end of the day. We got how many fish?
3.
We only got 3 fish. It's not bad considering we're new at fly fishing. So hopefully next time we have better luck.